Today, we will talk about how to become a master gardener. Let's have a look at the details. In 1972, the Extension Master Gardener (EMG) program, which trained volunteers to provide their local communities with horticultural education and gardening assistance, was established in Washington state. As the program spread throughout the United States, it became internationally acclaimed. Today, EMG programs continue to equip volunteers to serve their local communities as gardeners, educators, and leaders. The first step is researching, applying to, and joining a program. Find a certified Extension Master Gardener (EMG) program near you. Almost every state within the continental U.S. has an Extension Master Gardener program. Each program is tailored to educate and train future master gardeners about their region's climate and vegetation. Request additional information about the program. Every EMG program has slightly different costs, curriculums, procedures, and requirements. As a result, once you have selected a program, it is always a good idea to contact the program's representative. Ask the representative to provide you with more specific information about the program. Apply to the program. Most applications may be downloaded or printed from an EMG program's website. If you do not have access to the internet, visit your program's county office and request an application. If you are accepted into the program, the staff at your local EMG program will contact you. You may be required to fill out additional paperwork and/or pay the enrollment fee. Complete and pass a background check. In order to ensure the safety of individuals, many EMG programs require all of their accepted participants to complete a background check. Upon passing the background check, you will be officially admitted into the program. The second step is completing the Master Gardener program. Keep your absences to a minimum. The first part of EMG programs consist of an intensive core course, which equip Master Gardener candidates with the knowledge and skills they need to volunteer in the field. While you are allowed a small number of absences, your presences at each core course is preferred. Excessive absences may result in dismissal from the program. Complete the core training. The subjects covered in these courses may include lawn care, plant nutrition, pest identification and pesticides, growing vegetables and fruits, and soil management. Volunteer in your local community. Master gardeners provide members of their local communities with gardening advice, assistance, and information. You may be required to record anywhere from 30 to 66 volunteer hours. If you don't want to do volunteer work, some states will allow you to fulfill the requirement by taking a ProHort trainee course for a fee. Become an official volunteer master gardener. After fulfilling all of the EMG program requirements, you will receive a certificate of completion. This certificate states that you are a certified volunteer master gardener. Your certification is good for 1 year and must be renewed annually. And the third step is continuing your service as a master gardener. Attend continuing educational classes and trainings. You must document and submit all of your training and classroom hours to your local extension office by the end of the calendar year. Continue to volunteer in your community. To renew the certification, volunteer master gardeners must continue to fulfill their primary role, community liaison. Attend EMG conferences and meetings. Every year, there are numerous gardening conferences and Extension Master Gardener meetings. These events provide excellent educational and networking opportunities for new and veteran volunteer master gardeners. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.